The question given is for each positive integer n, let f of n plus 1 equals to n into 1 minus 1 to the power n plus 1 minus 2 f of n and f of 1 equals to 2010. Yoga f of 1 equals to f of 2010. Then we have to find the value of summation of k equals to 1 to 2009 f of k. तो हमें क्या मिला है कि f of n plus 1 equals to n into minus 1 to the power n plus 1 minus 2 f of n. तो अगर f of 2 देखें हम तो f of 2 होगा 1 minus 2 f of 1, f of 3 होगा minus 2 minus 2 f of 2, f of 4 होगा 3 minus 2 f of 3 up to f of 2010. ये होगा 2009 माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ f of 2009. अगर हम इन सबको ऐड करें तो हमें मिलेगा, इनको ऐड करने के बाद 3 टाइम्स ऑफ f of 2 प्लस f of 3 प्लस f of 4 अप टू f of 2009 प्लस f of 2010 प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ f of 1 इक्वल्स टू 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 2009 plus minus of 2 plus 4 up to 2008. तो पहले हम ये देखते हैं f of 2010 equals to f of 1, तो ये हो जाएगा 3 times of f of 1 plus f of 2 up to f of 2009 equals to 1 plus 3 plus 5, ये हो जाएगा n by 2. इसमें n कितना है, n is 1005, तो 1005 n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d minus इसमें n है 1004, तो 1004 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. तो ये हो जाएगा 3 times of summation of k equals to 1 to 2009 f of k equals to 1005 into 1005 minus 1004 into 1005. तो ये हो जाएगा 3 summation from k equals to 1 to 2009 f of k equals to 1005. That means summation of k equals to 1 to 2009 f of k equals to 1005 by 3, that is 335. So our answer is 335. Options check करें तो option A is the correct answer.